Questionable characters. How to play. This is a party game designed to be played before, after, or during your RPG session around your role-playing table. The object of the game is for your character not to die first. Each player assumes the role of their RPG character and says it aloud. The game master picks any non-player character. Everyone is dealt a number card, which is placed face-up in front of them. Each character has 5 HP, represented by 5 of their dice. Dice are also used to record answers. Shuffle the PC and GM decks and place them face down on the table. The player with the lowest number card is the first inquisitor. When you are the inquisitor, draw the top card from the PC deck and read it aloud. Unless you are the GM, then you may draw from either the PC or GM deck. After reading the card, you must now secretly set one of your dice to your answer, keeping it hidden from the others. You must answer honestly. Once your answer is set, all the other players then discuss and debate what your answer might be. Once finished, every other player must now guess which answer you picked by setting one of their dice to the number. Once everyone has answered, you reveal your answer and everyone who guessed incorrectly loses 1 HP, removing one of their dice from the game. If players believe you did not answer honestly, then they may demand justice. You are put on trial and must defend your answer. If the players are not persuaded and the unanimous verdict is that you were likely dealing in trickery, then you immediately lose D4 HP. After guessing or resolving justice, if everyone still has at least 1 die, then play another round, with the roll of the Inquisitor moving clockwise by 1. Repeat this process until one player loses all of their HP. Then their character dies and the game ends, with the remaining players winning.